Hi there, Karen Libertson here from Cool Wool Designs. Today I'm going to talk to you about brioche. It's a knitting technique that uses its own special set of stitches. It creates a wonderful texture and it's really unlike any other knitting stitches. It's a lovely, warm, squishy, reversible, rib-type fabric which looks fantastic on both sides. Knit designers are catching on to brioche's popularity, and now more than ever, there are lots of brioche patterns to choose from. Two popular designers are Nancy Marchant, known as the Queen of Brioche, and Stephen West, who uses a technique often mixed with others in his one-of-a-kind shawl designs. Knitters are often looking for a new challenge, and as brioche follows its own rules, it's very unlike anything you've tried before. It has its own set of special stitches and even has its own unique charts. So if you're ready to try something new, brioche is a great choice. So come on in and join the fun.